And today in court, the state began making its case to block the merger of the state's largest grocery chains. Kroger, which owns QFC and Fred Meyer, wants to merge with Albertsons, which owns Safeway and Hagen.
Now, the companies argue that the merger is really the only way to stay competitive against giants like Walmart and Amazon within the industry. Fox 13's Alejandro Guzman reports that union employees are already delivering their own verdict.
We've been here before. Back in 2015, when Albertsons acquired Safeway, that merger led to bankruptcy and hundreds of stores closing. We're seeing it again now with Rite Aid and Bartell Drugs. Now, it's this same pattern that state leaders say hurts competition, you, the shoppers, and its workers who end up paying the price. Over the years, you've become friendly with the cashier at your favorite grocery store.
But just helping people get what they need makes me happy.
You feel empowered with the many choices when it comes to making that grocery run, or so you think. Many of your go-tos, including QFC and Safeway, are owned by Kroger or Albertsons.
If we were to merge, it would definitely be bad.
In October of 2022, the two grocery giants proposed to merge, which would make Kroger-Albertsons the second largest grocery retail chain in the country, right behind Walmart. Merger talk is making employees across the region nervous, as they're the two largest employers of union grocery labor in the country.
We could lose our union status, and losing our benefits is losing our medical, our vacation time, our sick pay. Who knows what they'll throw at us.
Dalton Adams, a cashier at QFC in Bellevue, previously worked at Safeway. He saw firsthand what the merger with Albertsons did for them.
And I got to see the downfall personally, and seeing that at QFC, where there's no real other stores that could compete on the same level, would be very bad for everybody.
The Federal Trade Commission has already sounded the alarms. They filed a lawsuit in February, echoing what employees fear. No competition. Less competition impacts not only your kitchen table, but your wallet too. According to the FTC, you'll be forced to pay more for less or lower quality.
So we're here for day one of the trial.
Washington State Attorney General Bob Ferguson has filed a lawsuit trying to stop the merger, claiming it impacts Washingtonians over any other state, as 124 stores can potentially close or divest.
After the merger was announced, an Albertsons executive wrote the following, quote, "It's all about pricing and competition, and we all know prices will not go down."
Kroger and Albertsons say merging will help lower prices and compete with bigger companies like Costco, Amazon, and Walmart. Both promise not to close any store as a result of the merger, but in some places, several stores, as many as 413, will be sold to C&S Wholesalers, who is just that, a wholesaler. The company declined to interview, saying this expansion is part of their retail footprint. Their statement reads in part, the purchase of these stores will enable C&S to be one of the leading grocery retailers in the United States. In order to ensure these stores continue to thrive, we will be welcoming hundreds of highly skilled grocery retail veterans and tens of thousands of store associates from Kroger and Albertsons who are currently responsible for these stores.
They give a lot of reassurances, but it gives me a little comfort.
It'll be interesting to see what the judge decides in this case filed by AG Ferguson. The judge can halt the merger nationwide or limit the ruling to just here in Washington. The court, though, has set aside 3 weeks to hear both sides out. From Capitol Hill, Alejandro Guzman, Fox 13 News.